I want to share with you a unique way to be in Savasana, which is our relaxation pose. I'm Krista Oakes. It's Monday and it's time for your Mindful Monday. Every Monday I like to share with you a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. I want to help you be mindful in your Savasana and also get the benefits of an inversion. But Savasana is about relaxation, so it's important how you use this variation so that you can truly relax. And it requires that you put your legs up on a chair. So you do want to be on the floor. The trick with using this variation is you want to get the legs so close to the chair that the backs of the knees are touching the chair. If you're further away, then the legs actually kind of come off of the chair. They're not fully supported and it's not as relaxing. If you're at home and you have a chair that doesn't have a hole in the back, you can just turn the chair around. But the idea is the same, to get yourself as close as you can so that the knees are up to the chair. And then when you lay down onto your back and spread the arms out and relax, the legs are truly relaxed, but you're also getting all these wonderful benefits of having the legs up and off the floor. If you are comfortable doing Savasana on your back, on the floor, next time try it with a chair and just see how that works for you. Just remember, the key is to get the backs of the knees as close as you can to the seat of the chair. I hope you have a very restful day. Namaste.